Your back isn't growing because of genetics? Think again. The real issue is incorrect training. Mechanical tension drives muscle growth, but if misapplied, you're wasting effort. After back workouts, if your arms are sore but not your back, something's off. Ego lifting is a major culprit, swinging weights without engaging the right muscles. Your body defaults to stronger muscles if your back isn't engaged. The solution? Focus on form, not weight. Reduce the weight, perfect your form, and target your back muscles. Train muscles, not movements, for real growth. This mindset shift is crucial for building a bigger back. It's all within your control. Let's talk about the bicep heist. During rows and pulldowns, biceps often take over, stealing tension from your back. This happens because of a stronger mind-muscle connection with biceps. Most initiate pulls with their hands, putting biceps in charge. Proper form starts with scapular retraction, engaging lats first. Upper traps also hijack tension during heavy lifts. To fix this, think of your arms as hooks. Lead with elbows, not hands, to engage lats. Visualize strings from elbows to lats for better focus. This mental shift ensures tension hits your back. Stop the theft and let your back muscles grow. Focus on form, not just moving weight. Your back will thank you. It's time to reclaim your gains. Before lifting, learn to connect with your back muscles. If you can't feel your lats contract without weight, you'll struggle with it. Try this activation drill. Stand straight, arms by your sides. Pull shoulder blades down and back, squeezing an imaginary orange. Feel the contraction under your armpits and mid-back. Hold for a few seconds, then release slowly. Repeat for controlled reps, keeping arms straight. This drill isolates scapular movement, crucial for back exercises. Master this motion to unlock your back's potential. Progress by leaning forward, mimicking rowing positions. Do this before every back workout to prime muscles. It enhances neural drive and reminds you of the right feeling. Build a strong mind-muscle connection for effective training. The lat pull-down is key for a wide back but often done wrong. It's not about moving the bar, it's about engaging your lats. Use a medium-wide grip for optimal range and shoulder safety. Start with scapular depression to pre-engage lats. Pull elbows down and back, not with hands or biceps. Lean slightly back, avoiding torso swings. Squeeze back muscles at the bottom for peak contraction. Control the negative, taking 2-3 seconds to return. Full range of motion is crucial for growth. Leave ego aside, focus on form over weight. A lighter weight with perfect form builds a bigger back. Feel the stretch and burn in every rep. This approach sculpts a V-tapered back. Master the lat pull-down for impressive results. The barbell row is essential for back thickness. It targets lats, rhomboids, traps, and rear delts. Avoid using hips and lower back, focus on upper back muscles. Proper form ensures safety and effectiveness. Stand with feet shoulder width, hinge at hips, back straight. Torso should be nearly parallel to the floor. Use an overhand grip, arms extended, shoulder blades protracted. Initiate pull by retracting scapula, then drive elbows up. Keep elbows at a 45-60 degree angle. Pull bar to lower chest, squeeze back muscles, control the descent, taking about 2 seconds. Maintain a stable torso, lower weight if needed. Perfect form builds a powerful, dense back. The pull-up is the ultimate back width exercise. Many use arms and momentum, not lats. A lat-focused pull-up is precise and effective. Start with an overhand grip, wider than shoulders. Hang with shoulders relaxed, feeling a lat stretch. Begin with scapular depression and retraction. Pull elbows down, not chin over the bar. Focus on bringing chest to the bar. Keep core tight, avoid swinging. Control the descent for muscle growth. Master form for a wider, stronger back. Growth happens outside the gym. Training is the stimulus, recovery builds muscle. Nutrition and sleep are critical for growth. Consume enough calories and protein for muscle repair. Aim for 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Sleep is vital, it releases growth hormone for repair. Get 7-9 hours of quality sleep for optimal recovery. Manage stress and allow rest between sessions. Overtraining hinders growth, listen to your body. Train back 2-3 times a week with proper volume. Balance training, nutrition, and recovery for consistent growth. Genetics isn't the reason for a small back. Most blame DNA, but it's about technique and consistency. Common errors include ego lifting and poor form. Many never experience a true lat contraction. Genetics set potential, but most haven't reached it. Focus on perfect form before blaming genetics. Master scapular pull, control negatives, feel contractions. Your back isn't growing due to lack of proper tension. Adopt a better strategy, not wish for better genes. Lower weight, focus on execution, build mind-muscle connection. DNA is a blueprint. You're the architect. Details, not DNA, unlock your back's potential. The 30-day Form First Challenge is your path to a bigger back. Action transforms knowledge into power. Dedicate 30 days to mastering back training form. Focus on how well you lift, not how much. Cut weight by 30 to 50% for perfect form. Perform activation drills before workouts. Focus on scapula initiation, elbow drive, and controlled negatives. Film yourself, critique, and adjust. Lighter weights with perfect form intensify back workouts. Build neural pathways and proper muscle activation. After 30 days, add weight while maintaining form. Consistency and technique unlock your back's potential.